Storm's Check channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Alcatel GO FLIP 4 for Metro by T-Mobile. So this is a new flip phone for Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys are looking to get like a backup phone or whatever, the Alcatel GO FLIP 4 is here. So it's very easy as you think, smarter than you thought. So this has the OS on there, so pretty cool, you know. So the quick specs on the Alcatel GO FLIP 4 has 1850mAh battery, 4 GB of memory, 2.8-inch internal display. So there's the phone right there, just standard flip phone, you know. So it's $99.99 for a retail price, but it's free when you guys switch to Metro. So it's, you know, it's not bad for a free phone, you know what I'm saying? Like if you're getting it for like a backup phone or whatever. So yeah, so this is on the inside of the phone. You guys have your earpiece there, your 2.8-inch screen, your numeric keypad there. You guys got your buttons there. You got the OK button. You got the call and end keys right there. The end key is also your power button. You got the favorites key, messages key, and the back key there. Then your number pad here. Yeah. Take this phone for a spin here. On the right side of the Alcatel GO FLIP 4 is your volume keys, and I think that is it for the right side there. And then on the back of the phone here is your speaker and your Alcatel logo on the back. On the left side of the Alcatel GO FLIP 4. Come on now. You guys got a headphone jack. I don't know if it's a 3.5 headphone jack or if it's 2.5. I hope it's 3.5. Because if it's 2.5 headphone jack, that is just fucking terrible. So there's the front of the phone when it is closed. You guys have a camera there, your external display, and your Alcatel logo on the front of the phone there. And flip it to the bottom here. You got your microphone there. And get out of here with that. So you should have a charging port somewhere. It's probably on the left side. Yeah, your charging port's right there on the left side of the phone there. So yeah, so the Alcatel GO FLIP 4 delivers a familiar flip phone experience with upgraded features to keep you connected to your loved ones. The 2.8-inch display features an easy-to-use color interface, while the external preview screen alerts you of incoming calls and notifications. As an upgraded keypad with dedicated shortcut keys lets you respond to messages and dial your favorite contacts quickly. Enjoy enhanced audio and clear voice over LTE calls with 4G LTE connectivity. Specs on this phone has a brilliant 2.8-inch internal display and a 1.44-inch external color display. Large buttons, simple interface with dedicated shortcut keys to your messages and favorite contacts. Long-lasting 1850mAh battery. Delivers more than 18 days of standby time and every 12 hours of talk time. Clear calls with amplified speaker and HD voice. KOS 3.0 allows you to navigate popular apps with ease. So yeah. So that's how you get the Alcatel GO FLIP 4 for free when you switch. So not bad for a free phone, you know what I'm saying? You'd have dual displays on the outside and inside. The outside display 1.44 inches inside display, 2.8 inch. Easily keep track of notifications and missed calls, whether the phone is open or closed, with the dual screen combo. HD voice calling, amplified speaker, and HD voice for clear calls. Reliable battery and performance. An 1850 mAh battery paired perfectly with a snappy Qualcomm quad-core processor for a smooth, long-lasting performance. It has a Snapdragon 210 processor inside of the phone there. Easy to use interface, large buttons, simple interface, and dedicated shortcut keys. Brilliant color displays. The Alcatel GO FLIP 4 features a familiar flip design with dual color displays. The external 1.44 inch display gives you a preview of who's calling and discreetly alerts you of new notifications without opening the phone. Read messages with ease on the 2.8 inch internal display that can be personalized with large text and increased brightness. User-friendly and intuitive. The large buttons, simple interface, hearing aid compatibility, and other accessibility features enable any user to stay connected. Keep what's important at your fingertips with dedicated shortcut keys to your messages and favorite contacts. Impressive audio and call quality. Enjoy clear calls with amplified sound from the loudspeaker, or go hands-free with a wired or Bluetooth headset for additional privacy. Either way you choose, 4G LTE provides AC voice for excellent call quality. The specs looks fine. I mean, this is a flip phone, guys, so don't expect a whole lot from it. You get 4 gigabytes of internal memory, which is ROM, and 2 gigabytes available user memory. 2.8 inch QVGA display, 2 megapixel rear-facing camera, 13 gigabytes of external memory with micro SD card expansion. Mobile hotspot, 12 hours of talk time, iOS 3, Qualcomm Snapdragon 215 quad-core processor, 4.69 ounces of weight there for the Alcatel GO FLIP 4. There's your hearing compatibilities. If you guys want to get accessories for this one, y'all guys could check out here to get accessories. Y'all guys could probably go to Amazon. I think it's the same phone as the Alcatel GO FLIP 3. I think it's the same phone, except for it has a newer version of iOS on there. So I think it's the same phone as the Alcatel GO FLIP 3. So yeah. So if you guys are looking to get a flip phone or whatever, the Alcatel GO FLIP 4 could be the phone for you. Like I said, don't really expect a whole lot from it. You can get some apps on here, like I don't know what apps it does. You guys can get on here, probably Facebook and stuff. But you guys are not gonna get a whole lot of apps on here. It has the iOS, so that's basically the iOS that this phone runs. I think it has Google Assistant on there as well. I think it does. So pretty cool. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone, phone for your parents or whatever or whatnot, this could be a phone to check out. It's $99.99 for retail price, but it is free when you guys switch to Metro. So yeah, there you guys go. The Alcatel GO FLIP 4, now available at Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.